Right, it's in the workshop, finally, after many years. Here we go. Hasn't seen the daylight for a while. It's my se7en. My truck, my old truck car back in the day. Nissan 200 SX se7en se7en DT bump turbo. Of course it didn't want to come out because after many years it's slightly seized. So got the trusty Jeep out. I'm going to put her out. We're going to try and put her out. Oh, we have movement. Do it. Here we go. Check it's going to clear. It's going to be close. Do it. Oi. She's out. See daylight for the first time after all those years. Quick wash and then we get into the workshop. Right, it's in the workshop finally after many years. Built this over, it's probably got to be going on for 10 years almost now, if not more. Haynes Roadster, Ford Sierra hubs. And it's got four pot wheelwoods on it. 4 pot wheelwoods with big discs all round. Like I said, Nissan 200SX S13 engine. So it's the 1.8 turbocharged se7en DET engine. Try to make it as light as possible. Nice safety cage because I didn't want to die. He did try to kill me a few times. Yeah, just very basic, light and stupid fast, basically was the order of the day. I'd like to get it up and running again because it was sort of just left. Last time it went out was many years ago on track, and then that's where it's just basically just sat around. So we'll get that jacked up and start having a look what needs doing. Right, got the body off a bit so we can access the engine. From what I remember we did was it had a forged block, a reworked cylinder head, brand new turbo. That's as far as we got. Because that was cooling. Cooling was always the problem with these. It used to just, you could do like 5 laps and you had to come in because it would just boil over because it just couldn't keep it cool. So I ended up buying this rad, basically, a couple of years ago. Can't remember how much or where I got it from, but yeah, I wanted to upgrade the rad because I just couldn't keep it cool. So yeah, so the next plan is to basically, I've got to fit that up. Electric fan on there on the back. Sure, yeah, I just found this one. See if it works. See if it'll we can fit it in. There's not much room. There's that, and then we've got to fit the intercooler as well, which is not very big actually. I'm surprised I only put a smaller one there, which anyway, it'll do for now. But yeah, that goes there in front of the rad, basically. So that's my job. First job. I got me a big oil cooler down there as well. Just trying to keep everything cool, but it's got a big, well, it's a bit battered now, but it's got a big vent up to it, running up to the oil cooler. Yeah, that's my first job. It was to try and keep it, well, get it reliable, because it used to just couldn't keep it cool. It was just so much heat. I mean, even the bonnet used to sort of go all floppy. So yeah, so that's, I think it's going to be my first task. Right, so we've started. Rad is off, and it is over here. Fit an electric fan, one I had laying around. It fits absolutely perfect size. So thought I'd give that a go. So basically, really quite simple. Just made up some little brackets out of metal that I had laying around. I already had some bolt holes on the rad, each corner. So just lined all that up like that. Simple nut and bolt, bolt with a washer on there, on there, one on there, one on there. Tighten them bad boys up. Et voila! The fan does work. I tried it beforehand. So there we go. One electric fan fitted to our radiator.